The FE was produced by Holden in Australia from 1956 to 1958. The FE range consisted of the standard sedan, business sedan and special sedan, like the car you see here. The names designated different levels of equipment and interior trim. All models used a 6-cylinder inline engine coupled with a 3-speed manual gearbox. Engine improvements over the FJ included bigger valves and lifting of the compression ratio, which increased the power output from 60 horsepower to a massive 71 horsepower. As you can see, this is a beautiful car and very, very hard to find in this condition.